In your Tuesday morning health check, we start this segment with suicide rates in the U.S., and they've gone up. A new report says over the last 2 decades, it has gone up by 40%. According to the CDC, people at the biggest risk, adults working in the mining and construction business. People with the blue-collar jobs within specific industry groups were at a significantly higher risk for suicide as well. Well, could you imagine not being able to smell bacon frying or freshly cut grass or even the presence of smoke? People who lose their sense of smell face difficulties that can affect their daily lives and put their health and safety at risk. That study comes from a new one where more than 70 patients who lost their sense of smell reported a number of problems, from personal hygiene to loss of sexual intimacy. There also reported physical health consequences and the difficulties and cost of seeking help. Okay, the constant demand of parenting can put a real strain on parents, but a study says husbands cause a higher level of stress in their wives' lives than their kiddos. Don't shoot the messenger.
Fake news.
46% of those interviewed say
no,
their
it's not.
husbands add more stress to their day-to-day lives than the children they actually care for. Ouch. Many mothers complain that they view their other half as big kids rather than equal partners.
Fake news.
I do want to say this study was done in the UK, by the way.
Okay.
They're totally different.
Well, maybe their dynamics are different.
No, see, and I'm laughing because I know my wife's probably up now. This is about the time she would be watching, and it's me, no doubt about it.
No way.
Oh yes, oh yes, and she's at home nodding in agreement right now. I am sure. So yeah, I cause her probably more stress than our daughter does. Yep.
We just are an equal opportunity household. We pass the stress around. It's just it flows from the kids to the parents, back and forth.
Yeah.
I want to hear from you guys. Use the hashtag I am up.
I just don't want you hearing from my wife. She'll tell you all about it. All right, let me tell you about what's up in the cut. We need to do that here for you this morning.